Assalamualaikum everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Suci Octaviami. I'm from 3A Mathematics Education. Today, I want to roots of quadratic equations and their solution. The general form of a quadratic equation can be written as follows. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equals 0. X is the variable, a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. There are three main methods for solving quadratic equations. Number one is factoring. The factoring method involves factoring the left side of the equation into two binomials. The roots of the equation are then the value of x that are the roots of each binomial. For example, x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. We can factor the left side of the equation as follows. X plus 2 and x plus 2 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. The root of the equation are then x equals -2. Number 2 is completing the square. The completing the square method involves rewriting the left side of the equation as a perfect square. The roots of the equation are then the value of x that are the square roots of the constant there. For example, x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. This can be rewritten as x squared plus 6x equals -5. To complete the square, we add a number to both sides of the equation that is equal to half of the coefficient of x squared. In this case, the coefficient of x squared is 6, so half of it is 3. Squaring 3 gives us 9. Adding 9 to both sides of the equation gives us x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals -5 plus 9. Combining like term, we get x plus 3 all squared equals 4. Taking the square root of both sides, we get x plus 3 equals +2. Solving for x, we get x plus 3 equals 2, x equals 2 minus 3 equals -1. Or x plus 3 equals -2, x equals -2 minus 3, x equals -5. Therefore, the solution to the equation are x equals -1 or x equals -5. And the last, the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is a general formula that can be used to solve any quadratic equation. The formula is as follows. X equals -b, positive negative square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 2 times e, where a, b, and c are the coefficient of the quadratic equation. For example, x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. X 1.2 equals -b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a equals negative 4 positive negative square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 12 over 2 times 1 equals negative 4 positive negative square root of 16 minus negative 48 over 2 equals negative 4 positive negative square root of 64 over 2 equals negative 4 positive negative 8 over 2. x1 equals negative 4 plus 8 over 2 equals 2. x2 equals negative 4 minus 8 over 2 equals negative 6.